In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Google for free online in 2024, and this is really good for beginners. And not only that, this is completely copy and paste, and I'm going to show you how to actually do that. And you won't need to go and create your own complicated website. You do not need a website for this, and more importantly, you don't need any money. So with this method, this is completely free. You won't need to spend any money with this method to make money online. And I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. It's so easy that there's actually only a few steps, and I'm going to show you every single one. And this is probably one of the easiest methods I've actually seen to start making some money online. So let's jump into this and I'll show you how to make money with Google online. Let's get started. All right, guys, now before we get into this, I just want to show you this so you know that I actually make money online. So this is one of my businesses that we launched recently, kind of like a few months ago, just at the end of last year. And in 1 month, we did $42,000 and after the commissions come out and things like that. So we had some people promoting our stuff and we paid a little bit in commissions, around about 3,000 in commissions. And then our gross revenue was 48,000. So I make most of my money online. I have some offline things I do as well, like investments, but majority of my money comes from making money online. And I'm always looking for new ways to make money online. And I just found one recently, and I think this one is really good. And there's lots of people making money with this. So let's jump into this and I'll show you exactly what this method is. But I just want to show you this from something that I did at the end of last year. Now let's get into this. What I want you to do is go to Google and put in Google Gemini. Now we usually use ChatGPT, but we're going to use Google Gemini because it's nice and free and easy to use. And we're going to go and click on Google Gemini. Now I've actually already done that. So you can go through, just go through the top one. Don't worry about the rest. And right here it says, "Hello Franklin, what can I help you with today?" And we go ahead and we put in a prompt. Now, I'm going to put in something. It's not going to be very specific, but it'll be kind of specific. I'll type it out and we'll come back. All right, so I've done that. Now, if you don't know what Google Gemini is, it used to be called Google Bard, but essentially just an AI chatbot. We give it prompts and it gives us something in return. So the prompt that I've used for this tutorial is give me a list of most popular template packages that are selling online right now that are easy for me to design. And I'm going to let Google Gemini do that for me. And you'll understand what this is soon and why we want easy design ones and things like that. I thought it would take a little bit longer than this, but it doesn't. So this is what we have been given. We've been given social media social media templates. We've been given presentation templates. We've been given e-commerce product templates. We've been given email marketing templates, invoice templates, which is actually quite good. So what I'm going to do for this video is I'm going to go with invoice templates. I do apologize if you're going to hear a lawnmower. Always happens, start a video, someone starts their lawnmower. Anyway, we're going to go with invoice templates. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to, and the reason why actually, there's a few reasons why. First of all, when I started one of my first businesses back in the day, I found it so hard to get a good business template, invoice template. And I do know a lot of people, a lot of my friends have trouble finding them as well. So the next step is we want to go to canva.com and put in invoice template. And what we want to do is we want to create a package of invoice templates. So multiple invoice templates. So for example, I'm going to click on this one right here. And there's a lot of paid ones, but then there's also a lot of free ones. So I'm going to go like this. And I'm going to go customize this template. And there's actually nothing you really need to do here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in address in brackets, just so people know where to put the address. I've spelled that wrong, doesn't matter. Phone, spelled that wrong, doesn't really matter, just for the tutorial. And then you can leave all of this here because this is for what people need to do. And we'll put down here payment information. The reason I've taken all of this other stuff out is because you don't know if this is real or not. You don't want people's real details on them. And here we'll put company details. Okay, cool. Next thing is we can go ahead and add another page and we can go and add another template. So one of the ones I think was, so this is another free one. We can go and put this one on here as well. And then we can go ahead and do the same thing and we'll just put address, we'll put payment info, And then we will go and put company info here. So now what I've done is I've gone and put 2 invoices in there. Super easy, right? All you want to do is keep replicating this until you have 10, 20, maybe even 30 invoices inside a package. Now I've got 2 right here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a few more just for this tutorial. I'm not going to edit them though. I'm just going to add them in here just so I can get a nice package made for us, just so we can see what we're going to be doing. Okay, so we have 5 or 6 templates right there that we can go ahead and export as a package. So I'm going to go and export this right now. I didn't realize my screen was off there. We're going to go to share and we're going to go down to download. And we're going to download this as a standard PDF. All right, sorry guys, I just had to delete one because it was a paid one. So I'm going to download. I'm going to download it as a PDF. And then I'm going to go and find this here. Let's go and get this up here. And here we go. Let me show you real quick. I've got 3 invoice templates in there. Obviously, I edited the first one and stuff like that. But there you go. 3 invoice templates, but you'd make 10, 20, 30, or even 100 templates that we can now go and make money with this. So how do we make money online with this? This is how easy this is. What you want to do next is you want to go to a website called creativemarket.com. Okay. Now, if we go and look here, this is a template website where we can make money. So we have display fonts, like they even do fonts and things like that, themes, graphics, Canva templates, product mockups, Instagram templates. So if we just go click on Instagram templates, for example, I'll just show you what people are actually selling. So these guys are selling some templates. We can go low to high, so we can see what people are selling for the lowest potential price. So $9 is the lowest price. We can go to recently added if we want to see what are the recently added ones. But as you can see, people are selling specific templates. If we go back to Google Gemini, we can see that social media templates was one of the options of the most popular ones right now. So if we go back to Creative Marketplace and we put an invoice template, you will see that people are selling invoice templates for around about $9, $12, $9. And if we click on this one, for example, I think this is one template. Yeah, I think that's one template. So one template for $14 people were selling them for. That's a pretty good price, considering you can make them within a second. It's crazy. So we'll just go back here and we'll just see, we'll go forward. Sorry, my computer's a bit slow right now. You'll see all of these different types of invoice templates that we can go ahead and sell. The next step you want to do is you want to also create a thumbnail. Okay. Now you can do that easily in Canva as well. If we go back here, we go to Canva and we just put in thumbnail. You can go ahead and take a thumbnail, for example, and you can go ahead and edit that to look like something like one of these. Then the next step you want to do is you want to go to these 3 dots here and you want to go to open a shop, and you're going to open up your own Creative Marketplace shop selling specific templates. And we go to open shop and it's going to take us through the process of signing up. I'm not going to show you how to do that right now because once you sign up, it's very easy to follow the steps. But more importantly, what you're going to be doing is creating a shop and then going and seeing what other people are putting in their listing and kind of replicate that. So we'll go to invoice template and we'll click on this one, for example, and we can see that here's a description about the product. So you could ask ChatGPT or Google Bard to write a product description for you and to make the store very easy. And then we can also see down here, so your product will also show up at the bottom of other people's listings as a recommended. Pretty cool, right? And then there's also a thing down here, information about the shop as well. So, and then there's you may also like. So your content is going to show up in all of these places once you start your store and have your listings live. Another place you can sell this stuff is called Envato Elements. And you can sell photos, graphics, presentations, fonts, and things like that. It's essentially the same place. Now, if you can't be bothered making your own content, so for example, let's say you want to do social media templates, you can also go to Fiverr.com and people will make the content for you so you can go ahead and sell it. Alright guys, that's all I wanted to show you in this video, a very simple strategy to go and make money online by using Google Gemini to give you ideas, using Canva to create the templates, and then selling them on creativemarketplace.com. I'll see you in the next video.